welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Congress targets Parrikar government for mining closure, plans high-tech anti-campaign on Parrikar's statement, accuses CM of misusing governor's office for political gains. Shripad says Congress is culprit. NCP left out with nothing to continue alliance with Congress. Walanka to campaign for Congress despite Churchill's resignation, claims for John Fernandez after meet with NCP. State hospitals face doctors crunch, shortage of more than 100 doctors. Some have doctors more than sanctioned. Senior doctors busy with additional hospitals. Watch report. CM Parrikar strongly opposes entry of Sri Ram Sene chief Muthallik in BJP, demands cancellation of his membership. Muthallik's induction in BJP kept on hold.
नहीं, मैंने कहा है कि उनको नहीं करना चाहिए और उनकी मेंबरशिप रद्द करनी चाहिए.
And India wins table tennis in girls singles, defeats Kazakhstan by 3-1. In men's singles, Hong Kong defeats India by 3-0. Road to Nanjing Championship on in Goa. Now news in detail. Chief Minister Parrikar banned mining in Goa and not the Supreme Court. This has become a prime issue of Congress's campaign for the Lok Sabha polls. The issue tops Congress's IT cell's poll campaign agenda, which will use Parrikar's statement to prove the claim. Congress has also accused CM of misusing governor's office for political gains. When questioned, BJP's candidate Shripad said Congress is the culprit. Watch this politics over mining ban.
Mining activity in the state has been shut from last almost 2 years. This has doomed overall economy of the state. The issue now has become a serious concern for mining dependents, the common man and the other stakeholders too. But who banned mining in the state? There are various versions. Some say Supreme Court. Some say Congress, then Environment Minister Jayanti Natarajan. Whereas some says Manohar Parrikar. Now listen to what Parrikar said after receiving the CNN IBN's Best Politician Award almost 15 months back.
How are you going to control the mining mafia? In Singham, it was easy in a film. Life is not Singham.
We have already stopped mining.
That the court has stopped it.
No, I stopped it 1 month before Supreme Court decided on it.
And later this is what Governor had to read in his recent address to the State Assembly.
The ban on mining by Honorable Supreme Court has put a severe strain on the revenues of the state, apart from affecting the livelihood of close to 1.5 lakh people who are dependent on the mining sector directly or indirectly.
Congress is now planning to use Parrikar's statement against the BJP as a poll campaign strategy. Congress IT cell is working on it.
Parrikar बाब लोकांकूच फटी मारना. आमचो जो राज्यपाल आसा, गव्हर्नर आसा, ताका पासून मिसयूज करता तो असेंब्लीन फटी मारपाक. आनी ताणें ती गव्हर्नर स्पीचीन असेंब्लीन सांगलां फाटल्या म्हयन्याक की सुप्रीम कोर्ट हॅज स्टॉप द मायनिंग इन गोवा म्हणून फटींगपणां. ते क्लिपिंग, ऑडियो क्लिपिंग काडून आमी FM रेडियोर घालतले. सगळ्या गोंयकारांक आयकचें पडटलें कश्यो फटी मारता पळय तो. आनी जी आमची मिटींग जातली ते आमी क्लिपिंग, ऑडियो क्लिपिंग वाजोवन लोकांक दाखयतले. फटींग कोण मारता, फटी मारून कोण गोंयांत सत्तेर आयला ते लोकांक गमूंक जाय.
BJP's North Goa Lok Sabha candidate claimed Congress as the culprit behind the mining ban.
मायनिंग सारखी गोष्ट दुर्दैवाने बंद केली याच काँग्रेसच्या कर्मामुळे. आणि सगळ्यांनी गेली 7 वर्ष 8 वर्ष असे अक्षरशः म्हणजे आमदार मंत्री चीफ मिनिस्टर हे सगळे मायनर झाले आणि इलिगल मायनिंग करून खंयचे गोंयचे सगळे मायनिंग पाड घातले. व्यवस्थित जे चलताले ते मायनिंग पाड घातले आणि आमकां गोंयकारां खातीर उपास मारपाची पाळी आयली.
Mining ban in the state continues. Politicians have now used this issue as a weapon to attack and counter each others in the poll campaign. However, 16th May will give a verdict as who the common Goan voters feels the culprit is. Bureau Report, Prudent.
State NCP is left out with nothing. NCP and Congress will remain as the alliance partners in Goa. GPCC President John Fernandez announced this after a meeting with NCP leaders on Sunday. Neelkant Hankar now claims that non-alliance with Congress was just a word to galvanize party workers. Replying to media questions, John Fernandez claimed that Walanka will campaign for Congress, although her father Churchill has resigned from the Congress.
Finally, Congress party has resolved soaring issues between the alliance partner NCP. Following the orders of NCP High Command, NCP in Goa can neither field their candidate nor have a North Goa seat. Both the parties now claim that they have resolved for an alliance so that BJP doesn't gain the benefits of a split. Congress and NCP leaders held a meeting in Panji on Sunday.
And I am happy to inform you, we are together to work and win and defeat the communal BJP.
State presidents of both the parties now claim that the war of fighting polls independently was out to galvanize the party workers.
To activate the workers, we have to take that stand.
All statements, whatever were done, is to see that they also have a equal share in the state as far as legislators are concerned, or parliamentarians are concerned.
And Modi कितें जे चल्ला ते आपले कार्यकर्ते मातशे घट करपाक मंडळान काम करपाक लागून ते कितें स्टेटमेंट करता ते व्हडलेशें न्हू.
Neelkant had earlier accused John Fernandez of being an agent of the BJP. Now this is how Neelkant and John have reacted to the statement.
That is a politics, and see politics means त्या टायमार कार्यकर्ते काँग्रेसचे कितें आहा की this is not a dictatorship. So कार्यकर्ते प्रेसिडेंटाक सांगता we have to go alone. Executive Sangta. So he start taking press statement that we are going alone. So since they are going against the secular force, when we are asking we should go together, we think that they are just helping the BJP. So on that ground, I had said that they are working and they are the agent of BJP.
We work together. That statement was only for cameras. Mr. Halankar phoned me in the evening and told me that he did not mean it. And I did not take it very seriously. So there are no ill feelings. That was only for the cameras.
While replying media question, John Fernandez claimed that Walanka, the president of Youth Congress and daughter of Churchill Alemao, will campaign for Congress in North and South Goa.
Walanka is in the Congress. She will continue to work for the party. She will campaign for Reginaldo in the South and Ravi Babu in the North. I will issue her direction to join the campaign, Congress campaign in various places. She will be called to be on the platform to address and support the Congress candidates because she is the Youth Congress president, that too elected.
NCP had recently declared their candidates for the Lok Sabha poll, but national leader of NCP, Praful Patel, his son-in-law and Congress together have successfully bullied the state NCP, and the NCP is now left out without nothing.
State-run hospitals in Goa are facing acute shortage of doctors. There is shortage of more than 100 doctors in hospitals and health centers across the state. Forney Sub-District Hospital and Hospicio in Madgaon is facing the maximum crunch. The posts are vacant for a long time, while some have doctors threatened more than the sanction. Most of the senior doctors are busy having additional charges of more than one hospital. Here is a report on the state of affairs in public health.
There are 5 government hospitals, 5 open health centers and 25 primary and community health centers across the state. In all these government hospitals and health centers, there is shortage of almost 100 doctors, while in some of the hospital and health centers there are more than the sanctioned doctors. Have a look. Hospicio Hospital, 21 post vacant. PHC Kansaulim, 1 additional doctor than sanctioned. PHC Chichinim, 1 post vacant. PHC Kortalim, 1 additional doctor than sanctioned. PHC Lotlim, 1 additional doctor than sanctioned. PHC Kurtorim, 1 additional doctor than sanctioned. UHC Margaon, 1 post vacant. TB Hospital Margaon, 1 post vacant. CHC Kankon, 5 post vacant. PHC Badi, 1 additional doctor than sanctioned. PHC Kepe, 2 additional doctors than sanctioned. CHC Kurchore, 3 post vacant. PHC Sange, 2 additional doctors than sanctioned. PHC Dharbandora, 4 posts vacant. PHC Betki, 1 additional doctor than sanctioned. PHC Madgai, 1 additional doctor than sanctioned. PHC Ponda and Sub-District Hospital Ponda, 41 posts vacant. PHC Shiroda, 1 additional doctor than sanctioned. Cottage Hospital Chikli, 3 posts vacant. STD Clinic Baina, 1 post vacant. PHC Sankli, 1 additional doctor than sanctioned. North District Hospital, 13 posts vacant. PHC Shioli, 1 post vacant. PHC Kandulim, 2 additional doctors than sanctioned. CHC Perne, 1 post vacant. CHC Valpai, 5 posts vacant. This is state of affairs in State Health Service. While government spends crores of funds annually to train hundreds of doctors at its premier hospital in GMC, it is still not able to attract and induct these high-priced medical officers in the State Health Service as expected. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has opposed the entry of Chief of Sri Ram Sene Pramod Muthallik in the BJP. He has conveyed his feelings to the party's national president. He has demanded that his membership should be cancelled. BJP has now kept Muthallik's induction into the party on hold following opposition within the party. Goa government had earlier banned Ram Sene's entry in the state.
प्रमोद मुथालिक जो है श्री राम सेना के वो बीजेपी में शामिल हो गए, क्या लगता है आपको?
नहीं, मैंने कहा है कि उनको नहीं करना चाहिए और उनकी मेंबरशिप रद्द करनी चाहिए.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.